Uber excited this morning. I just found an old Hardinge Brothers 9-inch Cataract lathe on Facebook Marketplace. It's a 100-year-old machine, and it's all there. Just needs a little spit shine polish, a little bit of elbow grease, complete tear down and paint. What I am going to do is look at, I can see it was black, and I can see what was painted and what wasn't painted, and I would like to duplicate what it looked like from the factory. I mean, this is a cool piece. I might just clean it and list it for sale. I don't know, but this is a rare bird. Not too many of these floating around. When you hear Hardinge, you think of the, what is it, DV59 or something like that. Turret lathes. Wow, look at this. A lot of ways. Actually in good shape. They're rounded naturally. So, ooh, taper attachment. Honey of a score. Alright. The biggest problem I do have is, where do I put it? You know, this is the problem here. There's not enough room here. We're running out of space. We're running out of space in the Zen room. I'm wondering if I kind of move something around back here. If I could somehow... Yeah, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to liquidate some of my machine assets, I think. I think it's time to pick and choose. I say that a lot, and I look at my machines and I can't decide which one to get rid of. I mean, how do you sell machines like this? Yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. Yeah, I got a couple too many Myfords. I'll have to sort something out. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so the Hardinge. If anybody knows anything about them, please drop a comment. Boxford. If anybody is local to me and would like to restore machines, I have plenty of work. 8520s for sale if anybody's interested. Special price $1,800, bottom line. It's online for $2,500. So $1,800 takes the closing $8,520. I've sold many machines off of YouTube. And then of course back here I have a bunch load of a rivet hidden back there that I'm trying to get to and whatever. I think it's time to get out of New York. I think it's time to go down south, cash out, walk away, and dick off and restore machines all day. You know, there's the dream. There's the dream. Problem is, with all this damn work, I don't get the time to do it. Because of course, work has to come first. So anyway, like I said, if anybody has any information, serial number on the side is 4588, I believe. Oh, 6588, even newer. 6588. All right, here's what it is. Hardinge Cataract.